Alright, so in this haircut we are going to do a layered, textured haircut. So the very first thing you're going to see me do is you're going to see me take a section at the center top from front to back, from crown to forehead, you can see that. And I'm just establishing the length for the layers up on top. Now I'm taking another section next to that section, over-directing the current section to the previous section to know how short to cut the current section. Once I've completed cutting the layers on the top, then we will start to do the layers on the sides and back, and then we'll give the hair some texture, and then dress the hair with some pomade. Alright, but before we get to all that pomade stuff, we still have to finish the top. So now I'm layering the left side of the head, taking sections from front to back, over-directing them straight up to the previous section to complete the layering on the top. Alright, so now it's time to do the layers on the right side. You can see I'm taking a section right over the ear, and I'm basically combing it straight down, and I'm establishing the outline that we're going for on the right side. I'm going to do that, of course, on the left side so we have the same length on both sides, but the first thing I'm doing is just basically establishing the outline, establishing the length that we're going to have the sides. Once I've completed the outline and the length, then we will start to work the layers in. Alright, so it is now time to do the layers. You can see I'm cutting the layers on the upper half of the right side. They're going to blend in eventually with the lower half, but right now I'm just taking sections on the upper half of the right side and back. Once I've completed that, then we can go ahead and blend in the layers. Right here you can see I'm going to start to blend in the layers on the lower half of the right side and back. Alright, so now you can see I'm doing the lower half of the layering on the right side back. So I'm using the upper half of the layering as my guide to continue the layering down to the neck area. And I'm going to take sections working my way around the head until I've completed all of the layering on the bottom half of the back. Alright, so now it's time to do the layering on the left side. No, not a whole lot to explain. Basically going to do the exact same thing on this side as I did on the other side. Alright, so now that I've completed the layering on the upper half of the left side and back, you can see I'm taking a section to now blend in those layers on the upper half with the lower half. And I'm going to continue to take sections working my way to the center back where I will meet the layers on the right side. Alright, so now my favorite part of the haircut is the texturizing part where I twist the hair. It's the twist technique. And I take my scissors and I close the blade, not all the way, just halfway. And what it does is it takes out a bunch of the hair in that twisted section. It doesn't take it all off because I don't close the blades all the way, so it gives it a lot of wonderful texture. Now here, I'm slicing out hair just to make it a little less bulky, make it a little bit more finer, and have a little bit more texture. So This is the slicing technique. Up above was the twist technique, and basically just kind of finishing off the hair with a bunch of texture. Alright, so we come to the end of this texturized layered haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, I want to thank you guys so much again for watching.